The ideas of living in the digital simulation of the world or using some virtual prototypes that the people are represent or use in those science fictions documentary and the Matrix and those avatars that have the partially become a reality in future. The engineers now can create some virtual models of object, entities, processes, and some large systems that thanks to those digital twin technology. It may sound surprising, but you can already find those digital twins that implemented across many field areas, and those experts that are involved those to create these virtual models of object that the digital version of humans also features very soon. Let's learn and get some important ideas about this technology since it's going to become a part of our everyday's life in very near future. And this digital twin is a prototype of a pseudo prototype of real life object or those products that can monitor, analyze and improve its performance through the digital twin concept that is originated in 2002. It could be implemented only in the 2010 when cloud computing, big data and the Internet of Things and those artificial intelligence with robotics and machine learning all started to gain those technological domain. Human importance are generated in the field of these new age cutting technologies, and importance of these virtual real object entities are getting importance for human life, and this digital presentation of those physical objects is live and dynamic, meaning that it is updated every time it's real world twin that undergoes those changes. It can also learn, absorbing the knowledge from those people, machines, and the environment it exists. And the model is created with the help of those visualization technologies in the 3D modeling and augmented reality that display those data are collected from embedded sensors and those IoT devices, which can then analyzed by those machine learning platform using those algorithms and those big data analytics. Those important features of those digital twins that are virtual model of those physical object, processes and the services. Those types of those digital twins, we can separate them as the product twins, process twins and system twins. These pronouns as twins means a couple with similar rules and prototype. The types of digital twins is basically a model that is categorized within these three important twins of a product that simulate those separate object manufacturing industry that use those prototype, a certain product that setting up those production line to analyze and how it will perform under various conditions, what issues may occur, how these allow them to make those necessary adjustment and create more efficient design of goods. More importantly, those product twins can be used to control those product performances in the physical world. You can use this prototype for those product performance, improvement of those product performance, and that can be controlled, that can be make those necessary advancement and adjustment that create those efficiency. Very important aspect, we can say that it's a future of the virtual reality field. The Facebook metaverse is also a type of virtual reality concept and enhancement of this infotainment along with an amusement entity that is supported and is developed by a renowned social media giant, and it is an importance and gaining importance in future also. The process twins are responsible for those simulation of processes, manufacturing processes in the virtual environment. You can create those various scenarios of those production processes to see what will happen in different situations. This allows those companies to develop the most efficient productions and those methodology that can further optimize the processes during using those product twins and this correspondent with every piece of equipment that is involved. This help those companies to perform those preventive maintenance, avoiding costly downtimes, manufacturing operations that are made safer, faster and more efficient. The system twins are those copies of entire system, a factory. They collect those massive amount of operational data that produced by those devices and those products in the system. They gain insights and create those new business horizons to optimize all the processes and support the system's integrity. How are digital twins created? Data collections. First of all, researchers have to aggregate the varieties of data that about to asset physical properties, appearance, behavior under certain conditions, operation with other assets and more, modeling using those gathered data and modeling software. Engineers create a mathematical model that accurately reflects all the specifics of its real world counterpart. The model has an identical appearance for the corresponding object, including all minor details, and behaves in the same way as the original object. Artificial intelligence and the virtual reality with the 3D technologies help with those visualization, and with the integration that finally you need to integrate your asset with its digital model to enable those continuous monitoring in real time. To do so, the asset is equipped with sensors and tracking devices that can transit the data to an IoT platform where it will be visualized and analyzed. In a nutshell, you can say that engineers can build a copy of physical product using those computer modeling techniques, and the sensors are connected to these objects. The design for the machine to connect it the world, the traditional operation manager, and also those toolbox that may rather empty. As the asset and systems become more complicated, and the way in which we develop for those manage and maintain them that need to evolve, we need to tool those meet a new realities of software driven product that fueled by digital disruptions. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.